A bulldozer or dozer is a large, motorized machine equipped with a metal blade to the front for pushing material, soil, sand, snow, rubble, or rock during construction work. It travels most commonly on continuous tracks, though specialized models riding on large off-road tires are also produced. Its most popular accessory is a rubber, a large hook-like device mounted singly or in multiples in the rear to loosen dense materials. Bulldozers are used heavily in large and small-scale construction, road building, minings and quarrying, on farms, in heavy industry factories, and in military applications in both peace and wartime. The word bulldozer refers only to a motorized unit fitted with a blade designed for pushing. The word is sometimes used inaccurately for other heavy equipment such as a front-end loader designed for carrying rather than pushing material. The term originally referred only to the blade attachment but is now commonly applied to any crawler tractor with a front-mounted blade. Typically, bulldozers are large and powerful tracked-heavy equipment. The tracks give them excellent traction and mobility through very rough terrain. Wide tracks also help distribute the vehicle's weight over a large area, decreasing ground pressure, thus preventing it from sinking in sandy or muddy ground. Extra wide tracks are known as swamp tracks or low ground pressure, LGP, tracks. Bulldozers have transmission systems designed to take advantage of the track system and provide excellent tractive force.